Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to make the chicken in a cream sauce of mushrooms, which is very good in taste. You can eat this chicken with the quinoa, rice, roti, naan. So let's try this recipe. Before we go into the recipe, please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get the updates on the new videos. To start with, take a bowl, add 1 egg into it. Mix it well. Then add salt to taste. The salt I am taking by considering that we are going to add this marination into the chicken. Then add black pepper. Then add garlic plus. If you don't have a garlic plus, add some garlic salt and some Italio seasoning. Then add cornstarch, which is around 1.5 tablespoon or around 2 tablespoon. Then add 2 teaspoon of vinegar, or you can also add fresh lemon. I don't have a lemon at home, so I am using vinegar. Then add 1 teaspoon of oil. Mix all the ingredients well. Then add into the chicken. So for the chicken we take 4 to 5 chicken breasts, which I cut into a small pieces. Add all the marination ingredients into the chicken. Take all the ingredients out from the bowl. Don't leave anything behind. Just kidding. Just using a chicken breast itself to take all the ingredients out, and now I am going to mix it well with my hands. Hard to mix with a fork, so just use your hands. And leave it on the side for 5-10 minutes and prepare the pan with the oil. So put the oil that you can use it in all your cooking. So I never leave the oil behind in the pan. So I'm just adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil so I can fry my chicken and then make a gravy in the same oil. So fry your chicken. I'm doing a shallow fry. So you see that one side is cooked. Once you see the one side is cooked, then you can flip the chicken. Cook on both sides. You see that the cornstarch and the egg which we put in the marination, it gives a very good coating outside the chicken. Now the tricky part is that who is not cook very often. Either you can measure the chicken with the thermometer that it should go to 165 Fahrenheit, or you can just press a little bit to see that chicken is cooked. So once the chicken is cooked, take out the chicken in another plate. Similarly, in the same oil, I cook my second lot of the chicken. Once it's cooked, take out on the plate. Now our all chicken is cooked. I'm going to use the same pan and the same oil to make a gravy. For the gravy, you need to add 3 to 4 cloves of garlic. Add into the oil. Add some black pepper as well. Mix well and cook the garlic. Then add onions. If you have a small onions, you can take 2 onions, and if it's a one big one, then you can just add 1. I'm also going to add some green chilies as per taste. Mix well and cook the onions until light golden brown. Add salt to taste. Then add red chili powder. This is totally optional. I like my chicken a little spicy, so I am also going to add red chili powder, but you can skip this step. Once the onion is cooked, then we will add mushrooms into it. These mushrooms look a little brown because I freeze them, but these are the white mushrooms, so you can add mushroom of your own choice. Then cook the mushrooms with onions. Then add a magic ingredients, the garam masala, around half teaspoon. It gives a good taste to the chicken. Once onion and mushrooms are cooked, just give 3-4 minutes. Now we are going to side the mushrooms and onion, and in the middle of the pan we will add around 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, or you can say maida. Saute a little bit, then we will mix all the all-purpose flour with onions and the mushrooms. Mix well and cook the flour. This all-purpose flour help in making a gravy, thick gravy of the cream and the milk. After 2-3 minutes, when you see that the flour is cooked and the onions and mushrooms are well cooked, then it's a time to add the whipping cream. So I'm adding I'm just doing estimate to add the cream, but you can add 1 cup of cream into it. It also depends how thick gravy you would like to have. Then add cream and milk according to it. So after adding a cream, I am mixing it well. Then I will add milk. I am using a 2% milk. So I am going to mix it well and see if with the flour, the cream and the milk is getting thick. If it's too thick, then add more milk. So you can make your gravy consistency according to your taste. Once the milk start boiling, the gravy will thicken up. So with the continuous stirring, cook the gravy. Don't make the gravy too thick, because when you add the chicken, it's automatically, when you leave it with the gravy with the chicken, it will get more thick automatically. So always have the right consistency, that it should be a little liquidy. So once you get to that, then add the chicken into it. Now we will cook the chicken with the gravy and give another 3 to 4 minutes. Once all chicken is added to the gravy, give a little mix. Now add a little bit of parsley. Wow, it looks so good. Then cover it and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Now mix it well, and our chicken in a cream of mushroom gravy is ready to serve. You can serve it with quinoa, bread, rice, naan, whatever you feel like to eat with this chicken. It's so yummy and authentic chicken that you must try this recipe, and let me know in the comment section how you like this chicken. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get the updates on the new videos. Thanks for watching.